Now, Bill, with the emergence of technologies, cloud making documents readily accessible, and the emergence of technologies like blockchain, what kind of opportunities does that really present for us to bring those things together? Well, what are your thoughts on that? Why did you think about, hey, we could create a hybrid kind of an approach to doing something like this?
Let me go one step back before I answer this question. Of course, to introduce this into the aerospace industry required the legislators or the organizations that set the technical standards to acknowledge it. So one thing we did in the very beginning, together with a number of partners from the industry, we made a norm that allows to use these digital information instead of paperwork. That was very important, and also FAA and EASA have made this commitment. It's definitely possible to replace digital information, or to replace the paper with the digital information. And as I said, at this moment, we are working on an even further norm with SAE. So it is becoming industrial standard now. And why have we selected to use blockchain technology with it? First of all, the integrity of the documents is one of the most important aspects. Also, in 30 years from now, you want to make sure you have the original document. You want to make sure when it goes through the supply chain that the original document has never been modified. There has nothing been taken away from it. And you know, since I'm in this business for more than 35 years, I have seen a lot. We all have seen a lot with Kobe Steel. We have seen a lot with other names I won't mention now because they've never become public. There were some real loopholes. There were some flaws in the present process used by several companies. Now, with the use of this very secure blockchain technology, this is finished. No, you cannot modify anything. You always have the original. And let me say, we are using the blockchain in a way that we call it green blockchain technology, that we don't put all the paperwork there because it would be high energy consuming. We use a more intelligent method than that.